I'm feeling really sleepy today, boys and girls. So I think I'm going to take a nap, but I've got a really special reader for you today. It's my daughter, Emily, Sable's mom. So she'll be here to read you a really fun story. I think I'll go take my nap.
Hi, boys and girls. I'm Miss Sherer's daughter, Emily, and she's sleepy today. So I'm going to read you a book about someone else who's sleepy. The Very Sleepy Pig by John Malum and illustrations by Sally Ann Lambert. The Very Sleepy Pig. Once there was a very sleepy pig. For some reason, he could not get up in the morning. His farmyard friends all told him how wonderful the morning was and what a lot he was missing. But it was no good. He just couldn't get out of his bed. Every morning, the first animal to wake was Rooster. He'd fly to the top of the pig's house and call, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" 5 times to make sure everybody heard him. All the animals would jump out of their beds straight away, but Pig just went on sleeping. As the sun rose, sheep and cow would trot to the meadow where dewdrops glistened on the grass, making it sweet and good to eat. Duck would run down to the pond, dip one foot into the water, and smile as she watched the first ripple of the day roll across the surface. Hen would run around the farmyard excitedly, clucking, pecking, and scratching in the straw. Then as she sat down, she'd lay a large white egg. No one wanted to miss the morning, except for Pig. Every day was the same. Rooster called out, "Wake up, sleepy pig!" Pig opened his mouth and yawned. And then he finally got up and trotted into the meadow. "Who's eating all the sweet grass?" he grumbled. Pig ran to the pond. "Who's paddled in the water and made it muddy?" he snorted. He raced to the farmyard. "Who's laid this egg in my nice clean straw?" he oinked. It was the same every day. By the time Pig got up, all the tasty grass had been eaten. There was no clean water in the pond, and there was no clean straw for him to lie on in the farmyard. "There's only one thing I could do," sighed Pig. "I'll have to wake up early when the others do." That night, Pig went to bed on time, and just to make sure he didn't sleep through the rooster's wake-up call in the morning, Pig set his own alarm clock for the first time ever. They're all sleeping. The new day dawned. Ring, ring, went Pig's alarm clock. Pig woke up. He was surprised how good it felt to be awake on time for a change. He listened for Rooster, but all he heard was silence. He looked up and saw the sun was only just rising in the sky. Pig trotted into the meadow and ate some of the sweet dewy grass before the sun dried up all the dew. It was the sweetest grass he'd ever tasted. Pig ran to the pond and admired his handsome reflection in the calm, clear water. He drank and drank and drank, and then he heard Rooster's call. He raced back to the farmyard. "Who's eating all the sweet grass?" mooed Cow. "Who's drunk all the water in the pond?" quacked Duck. "Guess who?" laughed the Pig, and after that, no one ever accused him of being sleepy again. Well, I better go wake up Miss Sherer because it's time for breakfast. Have a good day, boys and girls. Hey, Sable, what's the rooster say?
Doo-doo.
Doo-doo. What's the cow say?
Mm.
What's the sheep say?
Ba.
What's the chicken say?
Ba, ba.
What's the duck say? Say quack, quack. Let's see, do we know any more of these? Do you know what the pig says? Say, oink, 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 oink.